Hi, welcome to Inside Home YouTube channel. Today we are visiting a residence that exemplifies a harmonious blend of classic and contemporary architectural styles with the exterior features multi-tone brick with light trim. This space blends contemporary design and function, with a hallway leading to a sleek spiral staircase. Natural light enhances the minimalist decor and greenery, creating a serene, inviting atmosphere. This cozy nook pairs vibrant teal walls with elegant shelving, lush plants, and unique lighting. A central table anchors the space, blending modern design with tranquility. This design blends modern style with minimalism and natural elements, creating a serene, inviting atmosphere. Clean lines, functional furniture, and thoughtful details ensure elegance, comfort, and balance. This interior combines warm tones, eclectic art, and vintage furniture, creating a cozy, stylish blend of classic and modern. This kitchen design combines functionality with a welcoming, open atmosphere. The light-filled space features natural materials, from the wooden shelving to the sleek white countertops, creating a warm yet modern aesthetic. Decorative elements, such as vibrant yellow lighting and playful artwork, add personality to the room. Large windows seamlessly connect the kitchen to the outdoor garden, enhancing the overall sense of spaciousness and flow, making it an ideal setting for both cooking and gathering. This serene garden retreat balances nature and design with lush greenery and stylish furniture. Vibrant plants and cozy seating create an inviting space, perfect for relaxation and outdoor enjoyment.